What are the key materials you need before you can start an acting career? What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for turning up and tuning in to my YouTube channel where I discuss everything to do with the business side of acting. My name is Islam Balba, and I'm here to take you on my personal journey of moving from Egypt to Canada to New York to pursue acting. In order to join the big leagues, whether it's film or TV or theater, you need to audition. There's no other way. But in order to get an audition, you need to apply for an audition. Check out my previous video on how to audition for Broadway shows. Here's what you need to apply. Think of it as your portfolio. First, a headshot. You literally can't audition without it. Go get a professional headshot from a professional photographer. Don't cheap out on this one. This is a critical step in your acting career. Do not wear anything flashy or anything with a big logo. Have a variety of headshots, like a dramatic look and a comedic look. Second, resume. This should be a one-page document. Put your name, email, phone number, any agent contact info, as well as any unions you're associated with at the top. Then divide your resume into these sections: film, TV, then theater, then commercials, then courses, and finally special skills, where you put languages, sports, and extracurriculars. For each project you've done, write down the production title, followed by the character's name, followed by the role capacity such as lead or supporting or recurring character or day player, and finally the production company name. Even if you only have a couple of credits, do put that on your resume. I personally know some actors who were too embarrassed to apply because they only had 2 credits, while other actors who had the same credits applied, auditioned, and actually got a Hollywood role. These are the 2 main basic materials that you can't apply without. Now let's move on to the materials that will make you stand out as an actor. First, a demo reel or show reel. Once you have acted in some project, it doesn't matter whether it's professional or student films, it is a great thing to have some footage to create a demo reel. Put in your best work first. Title each clip at the bottom right or left corner with the title of the project, as well as the type of the project, whether it's a feature film, short film, commercial, or TV show. The demo reel should be between 2 to 3 minutes long. Do not exceed that. Ain't nobody got time to watch more than that. Second, an IMDb page. A lot of people wonder, well, how do I get an IMDb credit? It's real simple. Every time you act in a project and that project applies for a film festival, you automatically get an IMDb credit. So never say no to an opportunity, especially when you're starting out. Let's get them credits. Once you do get some IMDb credits, I highly recommend you subscribe to IMDb Pro. That way you can post your photo and demo reel so that managers, agents, and casting directors can search for you and see your materials. Third, a website. Build your own website. Put in your headshot, demo reel, and your projects, photos, contact information. There are many software tools out there that build your website. It is a simple drag and drop exercise. Now, for theater submissions, an extra material you would need is a monologue. Record yourself performing a dramatic contemporary monologue, a comedic contemporary monologue, and a classical Shakespearean monologue that doesn't exceed 2 minutes each. It will come in handy, trust me. Many theater shows ask for a headshot, a resume, and a monologue to audition. So, to recap, you definitely need a headshot and a resume. Optionally, you need a demo reel, an IMDb page, and a website, and a monologue for theater. That's all you need to pave your path to success. What do you think? Have I missed something? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can be able to provide a lot more content on getting you on the big screen and stage. Thank you for listening, and break a leg out there.